All right, guys, here we go. This is for the 9-box case, 2016 Topps Triple Dares. With the Braves, we have Justin, the D-backs, Dima, Brad with the Orioles, Nathan with the Red Sox, Matt Reeder with the Cubs, Brian with the White Sox, Justin with the Reds, Matt H with the Indians, Joseph with the Rockies, Dima with the Tigers, Bill with the Astros, Matt M with the Royals, Nathan with the Angels, Brad with the Dodgers, Matt M with the Marlins, Brad with the Twins, Justin with the Brewers, Brandon with the Mets, Brian with the Yankees, Brad with the Athletics, Phillies, and Pirates, Justin with the Padres, Nathan with the Giants, Brian with the Mariners, Nathaniel with the Cardinals, Dima with the Rays, Justin with the Rangers, Matt M with the Jays, and Brad with the Nationals. Here we go, boys. Good luck. I want to thank you all for filling this break up. As always, it's much appreciated. And as always, we got to thank the guys at blowoutcards.com for giving us this case. Let's hope it's loaded up just like the last one. Here we go. Box number 1. All right. Here we go. Albert Pujols to 25 for the Angels, 7 of 25. Bo Jackson for the Royals, 99 of 150. And we have a Dallas Keuchel base, Frank Thomas base, and Troy Tulowitzki base. First hit. Whew. For Justin. Oh, man. 1 of 9 for the Cincinnati Reds. Boom. Ken Griffey Jr. Nah, it wasn't Hank, man. It was Ken Griffey Jr., 1 of 9. First one stamped. Congratulations, man. What a great pickup for you. Congratulations, brother. First one stamped, 1 of 9. It's a nice card right there, brother. Congrats, man. And for the Mets, 7 of 36, Kevin Plawecki. Kevin Plawecki for the Mets, 7 of 36. Jersey relic with a pinstripe. Next pack. $189 of $250. Justin Verlander. And 94 of 150. Ozzie Smith. Parallels. Ozzie Smith base. Mookie Betts base. And Jose Bautista base. And our hits. For the Dodgers. 5 of 36. Adrian Gonzalez. Jersey relic. Just realized something, Justin. I was going to keep all those teams for myself before I messaged you. I was going to keep them for the house. Aren't you glad I didn't? And the auto for the Yankees, 22 of 75. Rob Refsnyder. What's up, Bip? Yeah, Justin, you definitely did get a sweet deal, man. Congrats, brother. Rob Refsnyder, 22 of 75 for the Yankees. Pretty nice box. Box number 2. Mr. Bip is Mr. Brad Zissau. Yeah, definitely a sweet first box right there, man. That was an awesome box. Now let's keep it rolling. This right here, Brad. Ken Griffey Jr., 1 of 9. Ted Williams to 99 for the Red Sox. And the Jose Altuve to 340 for the Astros. Those are our parallels. And our base. Lucas Giolito, Hank Aaron, and Sandy Koufax. And our hits for the Rockies. 1 of 99. DJ LeMahieu. DJ LeMahieu for the Rockies. 1 of 99. Did I actually say that guy's name right this time? And for the Cardinals, what a sweet patch. Wow. 9 of 9. Colton Wong. Congratulations, Nathaniel. There you go, bud. 9 of 9. Last one stamped with a filthy patch. Congrats, Nathaniel. 9 of 9. Colton Wong. Beautiful looking patch right there. Next pack. Okay, hold on one second. I'm a little confused here, the way they put the stuff in this one. Alright, so we're going to do it like this. Hold on one second. Ugh. Wait. For the Tigers, 45 of 99, Michael Fulmer. Michael Fulmer, 45 of 99 for the Tigers. Our base, Miguel Cabrera, Paul Goldschmidt, Manny Machado. .318 of 340, Giancarlo Stanton. And for the Cubbies, 4 of 18, Chris Bryant. For Matt, congratulations, Mr. Matt Reeder. 4 of 18, Chris Bryant. Give me 1 second, Brad. I'll give you a rundown of the teams you have. And for the Cardinals, print and plate 1 of 1. Stanton the man usual. Congratulations, Nathaniel. There he is. Congrats, Matt. All right, let me run down the list again real quick for Brad. Brad, you got the Orioles, the Dodgers, the Twins, Oakland, Phillies, Pittsburgh, and the Nationals. Well, so far, 2 awesome boxes so far. Box 3. Very nice, 2 boxes so far. Yeah, no problem, buddy. Our parallels. Roberto Clemente to 250. Rest in peace, Jose Fernandez to 150. Our base. Noah Syndergaard, Albert Pujols, and Randy Johnson. For the D-backs, 11 of 18, Yasmani Tomas. For the D-backs, and a first-time breaker with this Dima. Congratulations. And for the Padres, 15 of 18, Tyson Ross. Next pack. Our parallels, David Price to 99 for the Red Sox. And Jacob deGrom to 340 for the Mets. Our base. Carlos Carrera, Jose Abreu, and Freddie Freeman. And again for the Cardinals. 14 of 18. Double bat jersey. Yadier Molina, Matt Carpenter, and Matt Holliday. For the Cardinals. Congrats, Nathaniel. And for the Cubbies, 28 of 99. Anthony Rizzo. Anthony Rizzo for the Cubbies. Congrats, Matt. You got another hit, brother. But I don't know if you can notice, but he signed off the sticker a little bit. And it's a little smudged. Matt, I was talking to Brian before. I'm trying to plan a trip out to AC. What's up, man? You down? I'm trying to get Buck involved too, but next box. Here we go. Guys, don't forget, we have the gold label still posted, and then that pick your team, random team of the of 5-star still posted. Go check those out. Fill them up. All right. You got a double Hosmer. 150 and 50. Maybe we can do an on-location break at your new house when you get it. 150 and 50 for the Royals. Eric Hosmer. Strasburg base. Ichiro base. Matt Harvey base. And our hits. Holy shit. Guys, we got a boom coming. But first, let me do this. Another one for the Cardinals. 8 of 27. For the Cardinals. Hey, Brad, how much do you love me, brother? For the Cardinals and Nathaniel. 8 of 27. So much, you sure? So here, this is for you, bud. Boom! 1 of 1 printing plate. Bryce Harper, white whale. Nasty little white whale for you, buddy. Sick. Sick, sick, sick. Congratulations, Brad. Yeah, that auto looks sick. Really nice looking right there. And the patch in the middle of do. Sick. Congratulations, man. Nationals one of those teams that I didn't think were going to sell. You picked them up at the last second yesterday, brother. Congrats, man. All right. Thanks a lot, Brad. Appreciate that, brother. Our parallels, Clemente to 250, Bautista to 150. Our base, Jose Berrios, Ryan Braun, and George Brett. Yeah, Brad, it's about a 2.5 hour trip for me as well. All right. For the Dodgers, 1 of 9. For Brad, once again, 1 of 9. Nice little patch in between the Powell. Adrian Gonzalez. And for the Mets, 68 of 99. Matt Reynolds. You buy me a keg. I drink Heineken, Brad. Look at that guy. We've been pulling so much fire these last couple of weeks. What more incentive do you need to go and join into those 5-star and Gold Label breaks? Go fill those up, guys. Congrats, man. Next box. This is an awesome case. Don't worry, man. I'll bring all the marshmallows you want. Yeah, Matt, you got a couple of teams, dude. I don't remember. Brad. Oh wait, for which one? Gold Label you're talking about, Brad? I think you got 7 teams in Gold Label. Our parallels, 150 for the Tigers, Justin Upton, and Max Scherzer for the Nationals to 340. Our base, Yasiel Puig, Johnny Cueto, and Trevor Story, rookie. And our hits for the Blue Jays, 24 of 50, Roberto Osuna. Yeah, I think yeah, Brad, you got 7 teams in that one. And for the Dodgers, 2 of 26. Yasiel Puig. That piece. It's got a little chip on the top. You really can't notice it though in the video, but it's there. Your wife must your wife must hate you, Brad, if you can spend this much on breaks. Our parallels, Josh Donaldson to 340, David Ortiz to 250. Our base, Nomar Mazara, Hunter Pence, and Babe Ruth. Our hits, for the D-backs, 16 of 18, Paul Goldschmidt, with a little bit of the stitch in there. Paul Goldschmidt, walks, 16 of 18 for the D-backs. And again for the Cubbies, 15 of 50, Jorge Soler. Here you go, Matt. Got another one for you, brother. Next box. So would you guys say this was a pretty decent case or what? With a case like this, I don't think we're getting any books tonight, guys. Safe to say, I don't think we're getting books. .42 of 50, Dallas Keuchel. Garrett Cole at 340. Those are our base. Parallels. Well, I think it's a white whale or triple order per case. Here's our base. Wade Boggs, Hannes Wagner, Jason Haywood. And the hits. 13 of 27, Yadier Molina. Octoman. If I'm not mistaken, Brad, I think that's what it is. They have a white whale on one end, and then what do you call it? The other one, the triple auto. And for the Padres, 52 of 99 with a camo jersey, James Shield. Another one of the teams Justin picked up. Congrats, bud. James Shield. Auto. Yeah, it's a nice looking jersey. Pretty cool looking. Parallels. Ortiz to 250. Willie Mays to 99. Willie Mays to 99. Ortiz to 250. Our base. Roger Clemens. Cal Ripken Jr. Greg Maddux. And for the Cubbies, Matt, you're on a roll tonight, brother. 68 of 99, Kyle Schwarber. Look at this guy go. Congratulations, Matt. Kyle Schwarber, 68 of 99. Jersey auto with a nice little pinstripe in it. What's up, NLB? Is that Nathan? And for the Red Sox, 7 of 27, Mookie Betts. Mookie Betts. Next box. 3 to go. We haven't seen it in a while, Nathan. That's why I was confused. We got a redemption in this one, guys. Parallels. Yoenis Cespedes to 150. Yu Darvish to 340. Yeah, we had a couple of nice hits so far. A few. Yep, a few. Here's our base. David Ortiz. Roberto Clemente. Nolan Ryan. Our base. Our relic is 3 of 36. Ian Kinsler. For the Tigers. And the redemption. Base rookies and future phenoms auto relic of Jesse Hahn. I'm not really too sure, guys. The Athletics? Or the Giants? Can't remember. Jesse Hahn? Can't remember who he plays for. The A's, right? Yeah, I kind of figured that. Thanks a lot, Justin. Next pack. Our parallels. Mr. October to 99. Yu Darvish to 340. He was a Padre before. So is he in a Padres uni or is he in a Giants uni, an athletic uni on this one? Can someone just check that up for me? The RFPJH. And our base. AJ Reed rookie card, Chipper Jones, and Satchel Paige. Is it? I'm not really paying no mind to that. Yep, you're right. One was 138, the other one was to 200. Wow. Good memory, brother. Again for the Cardinals, 27 to 36. Carlos Martinez with a little bit of stitching in there. And again for the Dodgers, 7 of 75. Bat Relic Auto, Justin Turner. Thanks, Justin. Appreciate it, buddy. Justin Turner for the Dodgers. Hey, Brad, where'd you go? Did you pass out, brother? Next box. Ah, you still here? I thought you might have passed out. Our parallels to 99. AJ Reed for the Astros. Buster Posey for the Giants to 150. Our base, Jake Arrieta, Lou Gehrig, George Springer. For the Orioles, 9 of 18. Adam Jones for the Orioles. Have yourself a day, Mr. Brad. And for the Mets, 11 of 27, Yoenis Cespedes. Hold on, Nathan. I'll show you the 101s in a second. Let's finish off the box, and then I'll show you what we had. I don't know, guys. Could be an extra card or it could be a fat patch. Oh, it's a book. We got a booklet. We got a booklet, boys. Alright, let's see how I'm going to do this. Ted Williams base, Willie Mays base, David Wright base. The parallels, Mookie Betts 150. Max Scherzer to 340. '98 of '99 for the Braves, Hector Olivera. For the Braves, Hector Olivera. For Justin. All right. Nathan, you came right at the right time, brother. Boom! 1 of 3. Hunter Pence. Congratulations, Nathan. Fashionably late, and he hits a letter patch. Congratulations, brother. Not sure how you feel about Hunter Pence, but it's still a cool looking card. Shit. I don't get any more. Fuck. I don't have any more of the magnetics. I'm gonna have to run by my OCS and pick one up to ship this out to you, Nathan. I don't want to send it like this, buddy. It's had to be one of the best cases ever of triple threads. Yeah, I have nothing to ship it in, dude. What would you guys say? This is about the same thickness as one of those shadow box cards, right? So I gotta grab one of those 360-degree screw downs for this. All right, guys, last box. Good luck, boys. It's been fun. It's been an awesome case. Guys, I think this case just got even better. Could it be back-to-back booklets, dudes? If this is another booklet, I'm going to shit my pants. That's unbelievable. If that's another booklet, guys. Let me move all of this shit out of the way. No, I don't think it's a Deca, guys. The deck is a lot fatter. 250, Bo Jackson, David Wright to 99. Our base, Edwin Encarnacion, Todd Frazier, and Bo Jackson. 2 of 3 for the Marlins, Christian Yelich. Christian Yelich for the Marlins. Two of 3. Auto patch, Christian Yelich. And for the Tigers, 11 of 18, J.D. Martinez. All right, guys. Here we go. Last pack of the break. Let's see what it is. I'm done, guys. I am completely fucking done. This is unfucking believable. I gotta move all of this over. I'm just gonna let it marinate there for a second, guys. This is unbelievable. Nah, it's not a Deca, guys. My bad. Let me see. The parallels, 250. Nolan Ryan, Blake Snell to 340. I think it's one of those all-star patch books. Our base, Matt Kemp, Carl Yastrzemski, Vladimir Guerrero. Our auto, 95 of 99 for the Twins, Jose Barrios. Yep, that's what it is, guys. '16 Triple Threads Baseball All-Star Jumbo Sleeve Patch. Oh, it's red. It's somebody from the American League. Whoa, who could it be? All I can say is that Brian's going to be a happy guy. Boom! 1 of 1. Brett Gardner. That is just fucking amazing. Yeah, you did call it, Brad. 3 1 of 1s. That's just amazing. This case was completely loaded, guys. I've never seen a case as crazy as this before. All right. So let's do this. Uh, Hold on 1 second, guys. First off, I want to thank you all for joining. This was an awesome case. Thanks to the guys at blowoutcards.com for giving us this unbelievable case.